Okay, now so we have Gagan, Mantesh, Sirish. Again, that Abhilash is missing. Last class also I was not there. Okay, is this fine here? The problem could be able to make out. Okay, what is that I'm trying to look for? I'm looking for what is V naught here with whatever the voltages that I have applied here. So assume that okay, all transistors have same VTH of 0.5 volt. Tejas, can you unmute? I think you're muted, unmuted.
Sir, maybe 2 volts, sir.
Not maybe. It should be exactly that voltage. No, we just go down. So what may the voltage here? What are the voltage that
5
is
volts.
possible? No,
5 volt.
here it cannot be fine. No, it cannot be
Five
strong one.
minus
4.5.
point.
Is it 4.5?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
How about here?
Sir, there 2.5, sir.
3? Because if it is 3, then what is this VGS? Is still 1.5?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
It can go up to 3. It is need not be 2.5. Because if this was 5, it would have ended at 4. Correct? What is the voltage that is maximum possible here?
4.5.
Maximum possible is 4 only. Because if this is
Okay.
4.5, you need to have minimum 0.5 here. This can be maximum 4 or slightly less than 4. Since this is 3, it can't go to 4, it settles down at 3. Correct?
Yes, sir.
How about this here?
4.5.
It can't go because the input itself
3
is
volts,
3.
sir.
Sir,
Input
3
itself is
only.
3. It can't go to 4.5 because output is nothing but it should pass this. So it is not having 4.5. It is 3. Now here,
2.
is it 2 volt?
2 volts.
It can't be 2.5 because input itself is 2.
Yes, sir.
Correct? Will it make sense? Any issues here? 5 to 4.5. This is week 1. Shall I say this as week 1? Why it is week 1? This is weak one because you're looking for a logic of 5 volt. You're not getting 5 because this is a pass transistor will give VDD minus VTH. Correct? Over here, this is not VDD. Since the voltage here is far less than VDD minus VTH, it can go till that point. So that's why it can go up to 4 volt, but the input resistance is 3. It can settle down at 3. Since it is 3, it can go up to 4.5, but since the input itself is 3, it will settle at 3. So since it is 3, it can go up to 2.5, so it is settling at 2. Give me 1 second. 1 second. Let me just mute it. Hello. Okay. Is it fine? Hello. Hello. Speak out. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes,
ಮಾತಾಡೋ
sir.
ಯಾಕೆ? You have to say yes or no. Am I audible? Okay. Is any network issues? No. Hello.
No, sir. No,
No,
sir.
sir, you are
No
audible.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಮಾತಾಡ್ರಲ್ಲ.
Sir, it's audible, sir.
Okay. When I say something, you have to respond.
Audible,
No?
audible ಇದೆ sir.
Okay, fine.
Yes, sir. Will respond, sir.
What is V0? Suppose let me just go down here. What is V0 1, V0 2? V0 1 is this point, then V0 2 is this. What may this voltage? Correct?
Yes, sir.
Is this 4?
Yes, sir. 3.5. 3. 2.5.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is that fine? Now, what is the major drawback of this? See here, since you are having 5 volt, at this output of this pass transistor, you have 4.5, which is not very bad. So it is weak 1. So it is less by VTH. Over here, the same 5 volt is reduced by 1 volt. The same 5 volt is reduced by 3.5. The same 5 volt has reduced to 3. Ultimately, suppose if I try to drive this, what is this output voltage? What is this V03?
0. 0, sir.
Will it be 0? Electronically,
No, sir.
being engineers, what will be the voltage?
No, sir.
No, what will be the voltage? Ideally speaking, now with this as 0.5, is this MOSFET on?
Yes, sir.
Hey, 0.5, is it on? For MOSFET to be
No,
on,
sir.
VGS has to be greater than VTH.
Greater than.
So
Yes,
it is
sir.
not greater than, it is less. Of course, it is equal to, so it is MOSFET is off. So the voltage V03 is the voltage that was earlier stored. It is the previous value of the output voltage. Am I correct? Suppose if the initial voltage is 0 volt, it remains at 0. If the initial voltage is 5 volt, it remains at 5 because it is neither charging or discharging since it is open here. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Meaning the output of a pass transistor is not advised to drive any more logic like this. Correct? If you try to drive the output of a pass transistor to one more logic, you have a threat of losing that actual signal itself. You can see here, is that output driven by this is actually reduced by 0.5. Here, can you see it is keep on going down, and ultimately you will end out that okay, it is not at all driving your logic. Correct? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Whenever we use a pass transistor, it is not advised to drive any load using the output of this pass transistor. Then what is the use of such type of pass transistor? Because here we derived that okay, this is a XOR gate and this is so and so. We derived so many things. Then when something like this is possible, then why can't I use this output to drive some? Because in usual digital circuit, you'll not be having only XOR gate. You'll be having lots of gate which will form a particular logic. So, but here it is saying that this pass transistor which is used to realize an XOR gate is not advised to drive any more logic. Why it is not advised to drive any more logic? Why? Because of this reason. Because of this reason, the logic high will be keep on deteriorating, and maybe after 5 or 6 stages, assume that this is 2 volt. Assume that this is 2 volt. So what do you end up with? Suppose instead of having it as 5, if it is 2 volt, will it just die out somewhere here itself? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You can see it is unable to drive the further logics because of the inability of getting strong one. Am I correct? So in order to use pass transistor to drive some other logic, we always have a signal conditioning network in the form of inverters to boost the logic. Assume that this is your pass transistor output, you pass it through an inverter. Do you have a weak 1 here? Do you have a weak 1 here? Suppose if it is weak 1, will you get a strong, okay, assume that you have a 0 here. You have a 0 here, and then, okay, when I say 0, shall I say it is strong 0? Is it strong 0? What is called as strong 0 and what is called as weak 1? Hello? What do you mean by strong 0? What is the voltage of strong 0? Come on.
0 volts.
0 volt. What do you mean by weak 1? Weak 1.
VDD minus VTH.
It is the output voltage is less than VTH from VDD. Correct? It is VDD minus VTH. Then, if you pass it through this inverter, this is a CMOS inverter. I'll say this is a CMOS inverter. So, does the output be strong 1 and strong zeros? Will it be strong 1, strong zeros? Hello? Assume that this is an inverter. This is your capacitor. If it is 0 and 1, this is VDD, this is ground, this is your output voltage. When the input is 0, can the output go to VDD? Can the output go up to VDD or VDD minus VTH?
Yes, sir. VDD minus VTH.
No, here in this case, can it go up to VDD?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes or no?
sir. Yes, sir.
So assume that okay, maybe before something like this, you have one. So during 1, is this MOSFET on during this period?
Yes.
Hello, during this period is the MOSFET on.
Strong
Does the
0.
capacitor fully discharge to this MOSFET? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, suppose when it goes to 0,
Yes, sir.
suppose if I say this is VC, does your VC starts charging like this? Will it charges exponentially till VDD, and how much time will it take to go to VDD? It will take ideally infinite time. Correct?
Infinite time.
Ideally, let us assume that it will take infinite time. If you allow sufficient time, will it reach VDD?
Yes, sir.
It will reach VDD, meaning a CMOS circuit will always give a strong 1 logic. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
It is not like in your pass transistor where the output will reach VDD minus VTH. Correct?
Yes, sir.
If it goes to high, what happens? If it goes from 0 to high, since the capacitor voltage is VCC, this channel closes. Will it start discharging? Will
Yes,
it start
sir.
discharging from VDD till will it reach 0 volt after a time of infinity?
Yes,
Ideally
sir.
speaking. So does it go to full 0 volt?
Yes, sir.
Shall I say this inverter will give both strong 1 and strong 0?
Yes, sir. Sir?
No, will it give both strong 1, strong 0? Does this CMOS inverter will it give strong 1, strong 0?
Yes, sir. It will give
Now, suppose if I give a weak 1. What do you mean by weak 1? Assume that it is
NMOS in top and PMOS in bottom.
weak 1 means it is 4.5 volt instead of 5 volt. Correct?
Yes, sir.
If I give 4.5, will I get a strong 0 at the output of inverter?
Yes, sir.
If I give a strong 0 here, which is 0 volt, will I get a strong 1?
No.
Why? Here. Because the
Yes, sir. Yes,
output
sir.
of the pass transistor can be weak 1 and strong 0.
Yes, sir.
Correct? Of NMOS transistor, NMOS pass transistor. Now, the idea, the problem here was, if you want to drive the if you want to use the output of a pass transistor to drive any logic, it is deteriorating. Correct?
Yes, sir.
What I'll do, I will not use this. I will not use this. Maybe I'll just use two buffers. I'll use two inverters. So what will be the voltage here? Will it be 5 here? If I use 2, because inverter will be get inverted. If I use two buffers, will I get 5?
Yes, sir.
Come on. If I again use 2 inverters, will I get 5? Hello. Why I'm
Yes,
using
sir.
2 inverters? Because inverter will actually give a inverting logic. If I use 2 inverters, it will going to be the same output. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Now, you had one strong, one weak, that is strong 0, strong 1 in case of NMOS transistor. If you use a PMOS transistor, it will be the reverse. It will be weak 0 and strong 1.
Yes, sir.
Then in such case, to get a strong 1 and strong 0, we pass through a CMOS inverter. This is called as level restorer. Is it restoring the voltage of weak 1 to strong 1? What is the output of this inverter? As we saw here, is it VDD and 0 volt? Is it VDD and 0
Yes,
volt
sir.
possible output voltages? Is VDD strong 1?
Yes, sir.
Is 0 volt strong 0?
Yes, sir.
So shall I if I use this inverter, will it actually give strong 1, strong 0 from one of them as weak?
Yes, sir.
So if you are using any pass transistor logic, assume that you have some pass transistor logic, and if you pass it through this, is it strong 1 and strong zeros? Will it
Yes, sir.
will I get, because this logic can be anything. This logic can be anything. Will I get strong 1? Of course, if it is NMOS,
If PMOS,
if it is NMOS pass transistor, I will get
strong
weak
0.
1 and strong 0. Can you see there is something weak has also become strong?
Yes, sir.
Strong which was there, it is still remaining as strong.
Yes, sir.
Correct? This
Yes,
is
sir.
called as level restorer. Level restorer. So what do you mean by level restorer? From weak 1, it is making it strong 1. From strong 0, you will get strong 0 itself. Of course, in the sense, strong 0 will become strong 1, and then weak 1 will become strong 0. Could you able now? Don't look at what is becoming what. So at this point, you have one thing weak. Can you see here both are strong?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let us see what is the problem with this. Suppose if you simply use this, driving this to this, let us see what is the problem. If it is weak 1, okay, suppose if it is strong 1, is both the MOSFET, is one of the MOSFET off?
Yes, sir.
Is one of the MOSFET off?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
If it is strong
MOS is
1, if it is strong 0, is this is off? Is this is on? Correct?
Yes, sir.
Rail to rail,
Yes, sir.
is any current flowing here?
No, sir.
Okay, there is no current flowing here. Correct? So there is no power dissipation
sir.
from this to this. You consider weak 1. You consider this weak 1. So because of this weak 1, is this on?
Yes, sir.
Is this on? Now how much you have? This is 5. This is 5. When I say weak 1, it will be less than 4.5. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Assume that it is 4.9, 4.48. Correct? Then what is this? Is it minus 0.52?
Yes, sir. On.
Is this MOSFET also on?
Sir.
Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Because it is a weak one which is driving this inverter, both the transistors are on, there is a power dissipation happening.
Current I.
This is the problem associated with this particular level restorer. Getting this point? If it is
Yes, sir.
strong 0, you don't have any issue. Correct?
Yes, sir.
If it is strong 0, is this NMOS transistor off? Because
sir.
when it is, suppose if I say this is strong 0, this is now closed, this is now open. What is the current? Current is 0.
0.
So power dissipation is
0.
0 watt. So as long as this is 0, even if it is 0 for a long time, there is no power dissipation. So the battery is safe. Battery is safe. Assume that it is weak 1, because you cannot have strong 1. So assume that you have a weak 1. What do you mean by weak 1? It is always less than 4.5. Correct? Assume that it is 4.48. In such case, will this also be on and this also be on?
Yes, sir.
Can you see there is a rail to rail current flowing? Can you see
Yes,
now
sir.
there is a static power dissipation? Assume that this is 1 for long time. Without coming to your notice, this battery would have been dried out because it is simply having a static power dissipation. When I say static power dissipation, when the output is stationary at 1, you are thinking that okay, this is off, this is on, but it is not so because it is weak 1. Since it is weak 1, this is also turned on. Since it is weak 1, this is certainly turned on. So you have a power dissipation happening from VDD to ground. How do we overcome this? There is a possibility of overcoming that. So what we'll do is, so I have a meeting at 10:30. That's what call I had. Sirish was asking for okay, when is the colleges will reopen? So fed up with okay, staying in Bangalore, Sirish?
Sir?
You're asking for okay, when does the college will restart?
Yes, sir.
We'll just ask that okay, we have a meeting now, HOD's
Yes,
meeting.
sir.
So we have a HOD's meeting now. We'll just okay ask that okay, please reopen the college so that students can come in. Okay, fine.
Yes,
Can you
sir.
see now what happens? Can see this is assume that this is okay. Let me just take this as this is weak 1. If it is weak 1, is it low here?
Yes, sir.
Is this on?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
If this is on, this is initially weak 1. Will it become strong 1? Why it will become strong 1? Because whenever it is, assume that this is 4.48 volt. During that time, will it become 0 volt? Hello.
Yes, sir.
When it becomes 0 volt, will it turn on this MOSFET?
Yes, sir.
When this turns on your MOSFET, does this voltage connected to VDD here?
Yes, sir.
Now, is it now acting like a pass transistor, and since it's a PMOS transistor, it can give what is that? Strong 1. So as we saw here, as we saw in this case, suppose that you have a PMOS transistor, you have 5 volt, you have 5 volt. Can this voltage go up to 5?
Yes, sir.
It can go up to 5 volt. Suppose if it is 0 volt, it can't go up to 0, it will stay at 0.5 volt. Suppose if 0.5 is your VTH. So that's why we call it as strong 1 and weak 0. Weak 0 for what? A PMOS transistor. The same analogy applies here for PMOS transistor. For NMOS transistor, it was a weak 1 and strong 0. Here it is exactly the opposite. Now, as soon as it is weak 1, this makes low. This low will turn on this. Once it is on, the output voltage which was there at weak 1 will be pulled to strong 1. What is the advantage of making this strong 1? Is the static power dissipation stop, which we had earlier?
Yes, sir.
So the advantage of having this pull-up network, this is what is called as level restorer transistor. This is your level restore logic, and this we call it as pull-up transistor. This pull-up transistor will pulls the voltage from weak 1 to strong 1 whenever this is 1. Whenever this is 1, this becomes 0. This will turn on this. This will pull the voltage from weak 1 to strong 1. Weak 1 to strong 1.
Yes.
Now, I think time up. Okay, let me stop now. So maybe today at 5 o'clock I'll just call you again. Sorry for that. Okay, I just got the notice just now. Okay then. So we'll meet at 5 o'clock. We'll just continue with this. Sorry for that. Okay, immediate scheduling of this meeting.